Hi and welcome back. Garbage collection interview questions are very popular in both core Java and advanced Java interviews. In this lesson, I will share some questions related to garbage collection mechanism in Java, which are asked in various core Java interviews. Garbage collection is an important part of any Java interview, so make sure you understand the basic of it well, so you will be able to give answer with confidence. Let's start with a short explanation. Automatic garbage collection is the process of looking at the heap memory, identifying which objects are in use and which are not, and deleting the unused object. An in-use object or a reference object means that some part of your program still maintains a pointer to that object. An unused object or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of your program. So the memory used by an unreferenced object can be reused. The aim of garbage collection is to give the highest available memory for the program and avoid exception like out-of-memory error. In this context, I will mention that in programming language like C, allocating and deallocating memory is a manual process done by a developer. Sometimes it causes a lot of memory leak problem because some variable was not deallocated. In Java, on the other hand, process of deallocating memory is handled automatically by the garbage collector. This was an introduction. Let's review some garbage collection related questions and answers. So, question 1. When does an object become eligible for garbage collection? The answer is that an object becomes eligible for garbage collection when there is no live reference for that object, or it cannot be reached by any live threads. And what happens if there is a cyclic reference? Does the garbage collection will clean it? So this is one of the confusing questions. In the answer a minute before, we said that an object is eligible for garbage collection when there is no live reference for that object. And now the interviewer gives us an example of objects that reference to each other. So are they going to live forever? The answer is that a cyclic reference doesn't count as a live reference, and if two objects are pointing to each other and there is no live reference for any of them, both of them are eligible for garbage collection. Let's move to the next question. When does the garbage collection process is running? The exact timing is totally controlled by the JVM, but we do know that the JVM will attempt to run it when the available memory is low or when the CPU is free. Next question is, can I request the JVM to run the garbage collection? Actually, yes, you can request the JVM to run the garbage collection by running system.gc method. But remember, it is only a request. JVM is not committed to run it immediately. The last question is, what is finalize method? When does the garbage collector call the finalize method in Java? Well, the finalize method in Java, also called finalizer, is a method defined in Java lang object and is called by the garbage collector before collecting any object which is eligible for garbage collection. The finalize method provides the last chance to the object to do cleanup and free any remaining resource. In the next lecture, I will show a sample program in which we can see the garbage collection in action. So, thank you for listening and see you in the next lecture.